Very chilly tonight, frost advisory in effect, but then a little bit warmer tomorrow when compared to today. We'll be in the upper 50s to low 60s during the mid-afternoon hours, light west winds at 5 to 15, so a little breezy by later on in the day. Here's an area of clouds again associated with what's left of that storm complex delivering the rain and even some heavy snow into parts of New England around Pennsylvania and New York. So these clouds are going to continue to wrap around into eastern Iowa and even northern Illinois as we head throughout the first part of this upcoming weekend. But by and large, I think the tri-state area looks okay, at least. Friday night's lows again, pretty chilly, back into the mid-30s for one more go before we really heat things up again beginning Saturday afternoon. So Saturday, upper 50s, maybe around 60. The same will be true for Sunday and Monday. So it looks like an interesting Halloween coming up, and certainly not anywhere close to as chilly as we've been in years past. So no problems there. And then mid-60s for highs on Tuesday for a warm day, and low 60s thereafter with the chance for some rain and some clouds. That may kick our temps back again late next week.
Well, I'm so glad the sun came out. Thanks for joining us.